Good morning guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Today it is Monday and I'm actually, I don't know if I'd call it the beach, but I'm at the coast. I came down here to go to Harbour Town to do some shopping. I'll show you guys what I got probably when I get home. I did get some gifts for some people because I have a lot of birthdays in July, but I also got a couple things that I needed as well. So yeah, I'll show you those later. But I also just got myself a burrito bowl. This is technically my first real day of holidays. I did have the weekend, I finished work on Friday, but this is the first day that I should have been at work, but I'm not because I'm on holidays. So I'm having a bit of a treat myself day. So I bought myself a couple things that I needed. I got myself some GYG and now I'm gonna go sit by the water and enjoy it. These are the only two things I got from Harbour Town. I just got this shirt from Ali, which is just really good for work. And I also got these shoes, which I actually used to have, but I wore them so much that they broke. And I really missed having them. And then I found them at the famous footwear outlet at Harbour Town for $12 or something. So I needed to get them. And I'm very happy that I have these back in my life now. Good morning guys, it is Wednesday today. I didn't vlog at all yesterday. I was actually just at home doing random life admin kind of stuff. Editing, cleaning, decluttering, just kind of boring things. But today I am being a little bit more social, which is good. George and I are going to have coffee with our other friend Georgia Kate here on YouTube. And then after that I'm gonna go have lunch with Liam. He has his last exam tomorrow. So today is just a full study day for him, but he has a break during lunchtime and I was like, I'm gonna come and I'm gonna take you out for lunch during your break. So I'm excited for that as well. Friends, it is Wednesday night now. I feel like I've sucked at vlogging the last few days, but it's 5:45 and I'm kind of just doing a big cook up of everything that I have. I've got some sweet potato in the air fryer. I've got some rice cooking in the rice cooker. I'm also going to make myself a red curry. This is the type that I use, the red curry paste that I use, just because it's really easy. And I'm just going to chop up some veggies to go in that, literally whatever I had left. I'll also pop some beans in that curry as well. Also have myself a little tea, peach and pineapple tea. Let's see how these are going. I put a bunch of spices on them, so hopefully it tastes good. We'll see. And like I said, got some rice cooking in the rice cooker. We have the final Thai red curry. Honestly, it looks so good. I'm very excited. Dinner's over. It honestly tasted so good. I don't think I've ever made that curry like that before. I don't really know what I did differently, but it tasted so much better than every other time I've made it. But the plan for tonight is to pack. Today is Wednesday, and on Friday, George and I head to the coast for a content trip, which is basically like an Instagram version of a business trip. Don't get me wrong, it is really fun. I get to hang out at the beach with my best friend for the weekend. But it's mostly just us taking heaps of photos every single day. We were talking to some friends who don't do this whole social media thing and trying to explain the concept to them, and they were like, oh, so it's kind of like meal prep but for Instagram. And that's exactly what it's like. It's like we're doing meal prep but with photos. So we take hundreds of photos and then we post them for the next few months. We always go to the Gold Coast, and a lot of the photo places that we go are in Mermaid Beach or around that area. So we rent out an Airbnb for a few days, take photos of the Airbnb, out at cafes, at murals, random houses, parks, random places. But I like to plan all of my outfits beforehand because I find it much easier to get my content that way. So what I'm doing right now is I picked out a bunch of things I want to shoot in. Honestly, we haven't been on a content trip in probably over 6 months, or maybe around 6 months. So I have a lot of content that I can shoot in that I haven't shot in before. all content that I've shot in before, but maybe only once, and I want to shoot in again. So as you can see, I have a lot of florals and light colored things, and that's because my Instagram theme is mostly neutral colors, whites and denim, so I pretty much only pack those sort of color palettes. I do like to plan my outfits beforehand. For example, I've got this shirt to go with this skirt, but right now I'm just kind of picking things out because I know I want to take that item, and now I'm going to go through and kind of pair them all together, pack jewelry, pack shoes, hats, any accessories, and to pack them I use these giant resealable bags. I reuse these every time we do a content trip, so I just pack them back in this thing after we come back. Like if you look at this one, it's from a previous one because it's got the shoes and the accessories that I wanted to wear with that outfit, whatever was in here. So I usually do that to help me remember. But yeah, I'm gonna start packing this stuff and get myself sorted. Packing is going well. I feel like I've pretty much finished. All of these ones up top are like specific outfits, these ones as well. Then we have a denim jacket and a white cardigan just to kind of like add something to these outfits if I feel like they need it. Then we have a white dress that just doesn't fit in the bags, and we have extra dresses, which will be a lot of outfits, like super easy, especially when you add like a cardigan or denim jacket. Then we have extra tops, all white, and extra bottoms, all denim. Like I said, I like to keep the theme constant, and this just helps me a lot, but like these are pretty much vacuum sealed in these bags, which is perfect for saving space. I know that I'm going away for like 3 days, so obviously this is not necessary, but it's kind of the point to pack a lot of outfits. So that's one half of my suitcase already packed, but it just makes it so easy. I think I'll pack the other stuff either tomorrow or Friday morning because we leave not too early on Friday morning. So toiletries, shoes, underwear, whatever else, hats, accessories, all that stuff. But for tonight, we're done. I just woke up and had a shower. It's like 6:30ish, I think, but I'm having one of those days where I really just want to get back in bed. It looks so comfy and cozy, and it's kind of cold, so perfect bed weather. But I have a bunch of stuff I want to get done today, so I'm just gonna make my bed and then go make a coffee. Hopefully that'll solve the tiredness issue. This is my outfit at the moment, just a t-shirt and tracky dacks, sweatpants, trackies, whatever you want to call it. It's time to start on the things I actually have to do today, and the last few days I've actually been using this on my iPad. It's just from GoodNotes, so I just have a notebook that has these grid, like whatever, grid pages on it, and then I just drew this little outline, and you can copy it each day. So actually I need to change that to Thursday because I just copied it across. This is my one from yesterday. But on the side here I have like what would you call it, like an hourly overview. So this is what I did yesterday, and then I have a to-do section and something I'm grateful for. And honestly, I just thought it would be fun to make this, so I did. That's what the the cover looks like. And then this is today's one, so I have my to-do section here, and then I have my like daily overview here. So right now we have to do some filming. I kind of want to do some editing first to see what I have to film. This is what I'm grateful for today, a slow and relaxed morning, and this is all the stuff I need to do. So I'm gonna fix up this and then we're gonna get into it. It's now 12:30 and I'm heading out for pretty much the rest of the afternoon. I've got a bunch of random errands that I want to run, and then I'm going to see Liam, and I'm really excited because as I'm speaking, he's finishing his last exam of the semester, and then I think he has like 3 weeks or a month off, and although I don't have all of that time off, I'm still really excited because it means that we might be able to see each other a bit more. But this is my outfit, super cash, just my Wrangler jeans and my Wrangler tee and my platform old school Vans, and I've just got a little crew neck as well to bring with me in case it gets cold. But I have to do a bunch of random things. I have to go to the grocery store, I have to go to Kmart, I want to look at some other places for some wedding planning stuff. Really just out and about this afternoon, and then I'll go see Liam and we'll probably go on a walk. We'll have to wait and see. I have arrived at the shopping centre. First stop is post office to check my PO box and to send out some mail. Hello friends, it's been a long time. I was out all afternoon, got a heap of stuff done, which is good. Went for a walk with Liam, which was super lovely, but he had a staff meeting tonight at his work, so we couldn't hang out for too long. But now I'm home and I just made myself dinner, and I'm about to finish packing my bag for our content trip. You guys saw that I packed all of my outfits and stuff, but I still have to pack toiletries, makeup, shoes, all that sort of stuff. I also want to tan tonight and do a couple of last minute things, so I'm gonna get on that. Pretty much finished packing, just need to pack toiletries and makeup and stuff tomorrow. But now I am working on our schedule for the weekend. So like I showed you guys this morning, I like to do these little timesheet kind of things, so I'm making some for our content trip right now. But I'm also watching the Jeffrey Epstein files and it's just insane, but you guys can watch it if you want to. I'm gonna keep working on this. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, ladies and gents, we have the final itinerary. So this is Friday. Over here we have cafes that we might want to go to. Most of them we've been to before, I think. Maybe a couple we haven't. Usually we have one day which is a scouting day, which means we look for locations and places, and then the next day is our shoot day. So Saturday will be our shoot day. These are a bunch of locations that we've used in the past that we may want to use again, and we don't have a lot of plans so far. We'll plan that a bit more later. And then Sunday, not a lot going on there, and I've just transferred all of the photos from previous shoot days that we've done and previous locations that we've done at cafes, at random walls, at random places. All of these are on the Gold Coast, so we may just want to take inspo from that, and then I'm just getting some potential ideas at the moment. But yeah, that's how we do it here. And now I'm gonna get up and tan. I really don't want to. Hello friends, it is now the next morning and I have a few things I need to do before we leave to go on our content trip. But I'm going to end off this vlog now and start a new vlog for our content trip because it'll probably get enough footage for its own vlog. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Goodbye.